Good evening and thank you for inquiring about the Genesis G70. I know we spoke earlier and here's the video. It comes with smart cruise, 360 camera, wraparound headlights, front parking sensors, 19-inch alloy wheels with the Bembo brakes, LED turn signals, blind spot protection, panoramic sunroof. As you can see, it's got lovely interior, the black with red piping, touchscreen, backup camera, Android or Apple CarPlay, lane keep assist. So let me tell you more about the warranties. We give you a 5-year, 60,000 mile new car warranty, 10-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty, and like we said, 3-year, 36,000 mile complimentary valet service. My name's Mark, so give me a call, 205 720 6581. You're going to love where you're treated here at Tameron Hyundai.